Hello guys, welcome to today's Code Cloud task. So today's task at hand is to install the HTTPD package. It should be running on 8080 port, and then we have to host two different pages, media and a cluster. This should be accessible via the load balancer server. So we should be doing this task in all the three servers. So let's first log in into the STApp01 and try to install the HTTPD or the Apache package using the yum install command. Okay, once it is complete, we are going to modify the configuration file of HTTPD because we want to Apache to serve on the port 8080. Currently the port is listed as 80, so we are going to change it as per the task. Once done, save and quit the editor. The first step is to enable HTTPD, and then we are going to start it. Then let's go into the jump host. We are going to copy the index files in home Tor media and home Tor cluster. Let's go into var www.html, which is the root directory of Apache. We are going to make the two directories over here. We are doing this because as per the task, we want to view media and cluster as two subpages. So let's try to SCP. I'm trying to SCP index.html of the media to temp directory of the first application server. Okay, looks like the SCP is not working. Let's do SFTP 20 at the rate STApp01, which is the application server number 1. And we only need to copy this to one application server, and you can view these files in all the three application servers because this is a shared directory, right? The storage server has a shared directory. Okay, let's put the file index.html. I'm copying to temp because we will not have any problems with the permissions. So let's move on to temp and first rename the file so that it doesn't conflict with the index.html in the cluster directory. I'll just rename it as .media so that it's easy to remember and recollect. And then we are going to put the other index file which is present in the cluster. Once this is done, let's move the index.html to their respective directories under the root of Apache. And then the media file to the media directory. And remember guys, we need to rename this because it is not the right format. We're going into the var www.html media directory and going to uh, rename the file as index.html. So once that is done, we are going to restart the HTTPD or the Apache service. Okay, it is done. Let's go into the second server. Our setup in the STApp01 or the first application server is done. So now we are going to set up the second application server. Okay, let's install the HTTPD package using yum install httpd-y. Okay, so let's go into the etc httpd conf and the HTTPD configuration file to make the changes in the port. The port will be 80. We are going to modify this to 8080. You can use the slash and the keyword to go to the respective word in the file. It is a search pattern. Okay. Once it is done, we are going to restart the HTTPD service. Okay. As I said, you don't need to copy the index.html files from a media and cluster to all the three servers. If you are going to do it on the one server, it is good because this is a shared storage. We are going to log in into the third server. Okay, let's switch to root. Let's try to install the HTTPD package. So we are basically following the same steps as we did in the HTApp02. And the reason why we are we are performing all these steps in the all the three application servers is because we are going to be redirected to this particular website through the load balancer URL. And as per the task, you don't need to set up anything on the load balancer because it is already configured. So we are basically configuring the three servers from which we are going to get the traffic, incoming traffic. Change the port number to 8080 over here. Press WQ to save the file. Once it is done, we are going to restart the HTTPD configuration file, HTTPD service. Let's view the page. The port is 80 of the load balancer. Okay, pretty good. We are able to access the website. Let's try to see the subpage, the cluster. Okay, we are accessible of both cluster and also the media file. Click on confirm and finish, and your task should be successful. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll go to see you in the next task. Bye.